Well, let's get to the unpacking and rolling this out and getting it ready. Really tight and packed. And heavy. Really heavy. I'm doing it anyway. Yeah. See that? It is starting to do its thing. Sounds like a raptor as you go off. You feel the springs. Foams are out here, and the springs are like here. I'm gonna wash my hands. Now that I'm back, I'll finish. I didn't want to get this all stained because my hands are dirty from the packaging. Don't judge me, I didn't go to mattress unpacking school. Not sure why I'm trying to preserve. Ooh, the blue. Sure if that's the blue from this. Actually, to be picky, the molecule's on that side, and I think we want to advertise it over here. What do you think? So, let's do that. Definitely getting some blue stain on the white of the base there, which is interesting. Wasn't quite expecting that, but don't ask me to set up a mattress in your house. Obviously, I'm a rook at this. Tight space. Definitely got a tight space in this room. And this is definitely a big mattress. Queen, and it's heavy. Let's just break stuff here. Let's try not to. So let's move the glass. Didn't want to break that. So there we have the MOLECULE 13-inch hybrid mattress on a foundation, not its own. I'm using, this is going to ultimately go in another room, but I have to get a new foundation for this. A quick 1 second, it hasn't done anything yet test. There's a neat, supposed to be cooling on top. It's a cool feel to it. It has its good support. This is not a plush, soft mattress. It's also not hard either. It's advertised as a medium, and that's what it feels like. Very comfortable just from this little quick feel. So that's my unboxing.